So you can see where the old HSBC Oil Street offices were, and this is all going to be turned into flats. There's an awful lot of flats being built on this area for Furnace Hill. But here we've got Matthew Street. And the last time I came along here with Mark Bannerman, it was all shut off. I think because of fly tipping more than anything else. But I think they're due to put housing around here as well. But what I did notice last time, it said there was an archaeological dig going off in here. But you can see the fly tipping and the reason for shutting it off. But does anybody know anything about this area? It looks a bit like it was ex-military of some kind. But I'm out here with Andy from Pinnock Media and Steve Coates. I'll pop their channels in the description. But it's pretty run down, it's old industrial land. Now I've got a bee in my bonnet that we need to rebalance industry. Versus service sector in Sheffield. We can't just run a country on the service sector. And what we're doing at the moment is we're actually exporting our pollution to the rest of the world. We might be net zero in this country, but we're creating pollution in the rest of the world because they're probably not doing it to our same standards. So if we want to control those standards, you can just see how bad it is in here. You can call this urban exploring, I assume. I can smell, it just smells like what it smells like in steelworks. You can smell the oil. See the crane there. Steve Coates has already done a video on this, so I'm not going in the toilets like them guys, but a bit too dark for me, that. There's not a lot to see really, is there? But in future I'm assuming that rather than building clean engineering around here, which is a real shame, it'll be more and more student flats. It looks pretty bad in here. As you can see a control panel on the wall from something. But very unpleasant in there. So that's a bit of a quick urban explore from Matthew Street in Sheffield. I think it's Shalesmore area. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. You can see my partners in crime here. We haven't forced any gates or anything like that. It was all already open. But it's shocking for fly tipping round here. Oh, Pretty awful, isn't it? So I think we'll call that the end of the Urban Explore. If there's anything in there later, I'll pop in and let you know, but I'll probably call this the end of the video. So you can see the last bit if you haven't got bored with it. I'll just show you in here. It's absolutely disgusting. Now I know it's certainly what's the area cleaning up, but I don't agree with building more and more flats. We should be looking for encouraging clean energy again, clean industrial production, but more and more flats to get rid of stuff like this in the way forward. It's absolutely disgusting, I can't believe it, but that's a quick update from Matthew Street in Sheffield.
Stuff there.
So what I have done is, there's another area we've come into and it looks really desolate in here, but I did see a sign about archaeological stuff in here, and just over here there's something here. So I don't know what this is about. They're quite large, both of those. Don't know if you can see them that well from here, but I can see them very clearly. So that's I wonder if that's what the archaeological bit was.